Yeah, my people, when you don't know, say when you do the right thing in a life, good follow no. When you do bad thing in a life, bad follow no. But people, you see when you hold up on the head in a life, are one of the best thing ever done in life. Opportunity come your way, you can't even believe. Good come your way, you can't even believe. You see when they mix up in a gang, activity and criminal thing, you not reach nowhere in a life. Because you can always hide from police. You can always hide from criminal. You're not going to have a free life like how the bird flying in the sky. You're not going to have no form of free life. When you do good, good follow you. When you do bad, bad follow you. When you think negative, negative vibes follow you. When you think positive, positive vibes follow you. People. So it's the best thing. The key is to hold up your head in life and uplift yourself in a life. Low negative thing and deal with positive thing. When you mix up in a gang, your life will go miserable. You see right now, Florida me there. Because I can't travel go anywhere more. But I'm yard me there Florida. So I just dress out more. I put on anything more. You see me? And I big up all of my viewers, I big up all of my subscribers who support me and who always there with the family. You see me? Big up who know say we not deal with no violence for this year. Because positive thing and righteousness we think. You see it? My name never call up on gang. My name never call up in a company. Me never follow man and do no wrong. You see me? But always stay conscious and think smart and think wise and that people family like. You see it? And you see all I want the criminal they out there. We have to be bad things and I do be violence and I kill people and I take people life away from them and I take happiness from them. You can't take people happiness from them. You have to show each other love. Because when a man come and kill your family and hurt your family, you not like that. But it happy if you go hurt a man family. We not doing a negative thing, man. You make us stay strong in a life. You make us focus in a life. You make us show brother and sister love in a life. You come out to be the best in a life. You be police. You be soldier. You be doctor. You be lawyer. And that are the key of life. You be dentist. You be pilot. And them things that were run down in a life. And see, even if you have a firearm, nothing wrong with it. But do it the legal way. Do it the law way. Do it the positive way. You see it? When you always depend on the law side, the government side, you always are going to be a winner. But when you deal with it the other way, the criminal way, you always are going to want it. You always are going to police a look for you. You always are going to have soldier a look for you. And if you're there in America, the FBI a look for you. And so man, serious, when you do crime, the forensic them. I do investigation pan body and I do investigation pan the crime scene and then them I go come at you and then them I go find you. So a time for you to wise up in a life. A time for you to done with this scamming. You see it? So big up all of my people out there, man. Big up the whole Jamaica, big up the whole US, big up New York in a Queens same way. You see me? You don't know Florida me there. You see me? So big up on yourself and you don't know say a be fun we have. Look how more we got to put on the jerk pan. We got jerk. We got swimming at the pool. We got have fun. And people before I cut off the camera, I got show you the pool. So I'm not tell a lie in my yard, me there in my yard. See there? In my yard of Florida me there. See them my fans. So my fans, see there? So I go on there. So my fans, wanna big up on yourself straight. And always remember, Riri start loving you. You see it? And my baby mother loving you. Big up on yourself and you know what I'm out. One love straight every time. You see it? Up.